Wow, Liam, that looks like Cam can't build it. Hey man, speak for yourself. What are you talking about? This is my awesome beach tower. You think that's better than my sweet temple? Okay, let's get Daddy in here to figure this out. What is this? Don't worry about it. Dad!
1 minute.
Dad! Dad!
Okay, I'm coming. This better be good. They're making me miss the new season of Fuller House. You know I'm gonna have to watch this episode over again. Okay guys, I'm here. What could possibly be this important to make me miss my favorite Netflix show?
Oh, trust me, this is really important. Who do you think has a better building?
Geez guys, more like tiny buildings. Looks like Cam can't build these.
See, I told ya. Come on, Dad. Isn't this lit?
Well, I wouldn't say that. Actually, looks like we got a tie here.
What? There can't be a tie.
Why don't we do this? Since I know you guys can do way better, let's have a Lego town building competition in which I want to see you guys focus, concentrate, and be creative. And whoever the winner is, you get a new game on your iPad.
Are you serious? Oh, it's on.
But Liam, I want to see you build your creation in Camden's room so there's no peeking, okay? So come on.
But Dad, there's no Legos in Baby Kim's room.
Don't worry about it, kiddo. Trust me, you'll be fine.
Going down, Willis. So how am I gonna win this?
Again, just trust me. Where would you hide a secret stash of Legos? Okay guys, you ready to go? You have exactly 1 hour to build the most awesome Lego city ever seen. May the best master builder win. Good luck!
Let's do this. If I was a box of Legos, where would I be? Jackpot. Thanks, Dad. Well, it's time to bust out my secret stash. I think I need something special. Dad wants me to be creative. You got it.
Huh? What? Hello? Huh? What? Oh! Timer. Hey, the kids are done. So that wasn't a dream? Oh, man. We'll see who won. I hope Liam found that Lego set. Okay, guys, time's up. So, who wants to go first?
Liam can go first.
All right, man, it's up to you, but I don't know if it's a smart move or not. We're about to find out. Let's go see what your brother's up to. Okay, Liam, you're first. Let's see it.
Ta-da!
Whoa, Liam, this is awesome. I like what you did here with the street lamps and a cheeseburger sign here. There's the girl up there, and this is an awesome little ATV you got going on here. Dude, is this a city pizza bus?
Oh yeah, baby.
Okay, sweet. So you found this in the closet, right? Good job. Okay, let's go check out and see how your brother did. There's no way he's gonna beat this, okay? Come on, come on. Okay, Eli, you better be ready in there. Liam built a really sweet city, so you better have something awesome. Wow, Eli. How in the world did you...
Build a beast Lego city? Here, let me show you. This is called Mayka Tape. What's Mayka Tape? Here, let me show you. I unstuck it on this side and I put it over here. If you come over here, you can see how strong it is.
Whoa, this is some high quality silicone. Look at that. That's impressive. Look at this. Doesn't even leave any marks either.
And we're going to find different build marks too. But all we got here is Legos.
So you're telling me I could just reuse these Lego pieces too? Works on every single tape? That's awesome.
Join the family.
Alright, Eli. Looks like you won. Jeez, this city's crazy. Okay, so what game do you want on your iPad?
Wait. I want to have a rematch. Seriously, how are you going to be this?
Whoa, easy killer. If I had a pin, I'd pop that big head of yours. Just like that. Alright, guys. Well, you know the drill. 1 hour of Lego building. This time, let's do a race car. How about that?
Let's do it. Race car, race car, race car, race car. Any race cars? Geez, I guess not. Wait, how am I gonna beat Eli now? I wonder if Eli has more Mayka Tape.
Oh, come on! Jeez, the Ravens are terrible this year, just like the Cincinnati Bungles.
Oh, this is working. How did he make this work? There's no way I'm gonna beat Eli. Unless... Let's see how sticky this really is. Pistols. I need a ton of pistols. This will definitely work. This is gonna be great.
Oh, that was fast. I think Ben's looking really good today. Except for that defense, man. They gotta fix that. Alright, Eli. Let's see this beast race car. Jeez, Eli. You're the creative little bugger, aren't you? Look at this thing. Beast race car. You even used the Mayka Tape again. Man, I don't think Liam's gonna be able to beat this. But hey, let's go check out and see how he did, okay? Okay, Liam, let's see if your brother beat you again. Liam, the contest was to see who built the best Lego race car, not see who's dressed up in the most awesome beast mode costume.
Looks like someone's a loser again. I wouldn't say that. Why not? Because you're about to get pwned.
Come on, let's go!
Limo has finished, you're a loser.
Come on, Eli, we gotta get to the arsenal. Come on, Eli, come on. We gotta use these now.
Dad, I thought we were going to use these next week.
Yeah, I guess you're right. But now Liam, why are you doing this? You're crazy.
We all got a little crazy. Sometimes.
Liam, honestly, you gotta stop doing this. Every time you lose at something, you can't just whip out guns, start blasting people just because Eli did something better with the Mayka tape that you couldn't figure out.
Actually, yes I can. No way, it's baby Camden.
Whoa, Cam. That was awesome. High five. High five. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna dig this new look of yours.
Whatever, Dad. PBT is live and back.
Yeah, but does Cam know what he just did? He just shot his own PBT number.
He'll get over it. I don't know, Eli, but that was a really low blow.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, say a huge shout out to Zuru for sponsoring this video. That Mayka tape is awesome. The kids had a blast building it. It's so much fun. You guys have fun? You guys have fun building it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's awesome. Okay. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye!